Hey everyone, come with us to Goodwill. We have a little Goodwill in our neighborhood and it is like a hidden gem. They have great buys in there. So I'm going to show you what I got. We did go to the outlet, which is by the pound, so we did get a couple items from there. I got kids' shoes, which I got a lot of shoes for my kids because I have 6 kids, so we got lots of shoes. But I got this pan right here, which is probably, I'm going to say it's really heavy duty. I'm going to say maybe it was like $2 because they go by the pound. And got this wreath right over here. This was by the pound too. This was probably maybe 25 cents, but I like it because I could pull these flowers off and use them for other things. We got lots of shoes, let me tell you. And that was from the outlet. I think that's it for the outlet. And then we went to our regular store, which is down the street. And they have these little jars to make candles that already has the wick in it. Look at this. This is so cool. They were 59 cents. They probably have 25 of them. So we picked up a couple of these to make some candles. And then we got this Stone Gables collection. These are so cute. We'll just add these. You can add these to any of your decor if you're going to do like an Easter scene, a Christmas scene, even, I would say even a Halloween one. I mean, they're just so cute. This one has a hole in it. Not sure what it's for. Look how cute this one is. So these were like $1.99. Yeah. So these were $1.99. Got this cute little house that says "Bless This Home" and it lights up, and I did try it. It does light up, and it's got the little like gingham bow on it from Goodwill. And I'm telling you, our Goodwill is so cool. It really is. And I got this cute little, it's a little bunny. He's so cute. He's got some carrots in his pocket, little heart, and he was like $2. $1.99 actually. Isn't he cute? $1.99. Okay, I got another wreath, which was $2, which I like to pick these up because when you go to buy these at Hobby Lobby or somewhere, you're going to pay at least $4 to $6 to $8, depending on the size. And this was, you know, like $1.99. Look at, and I got all these flowers to boot. I mean, you could still actually put this one on the door if you wanted to. Yeah, I've been sort of like searching these particular ones out because they're so expensive if you go in Michael's or if you go in Hobby Lobby. So try your Goodwill. And these candlesticks, okay, these are now $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And they're 59 cents at the Goodwill. So I picked up 4 of them for 59 cents.
You can almost always find these, though,
yeah,
at Goodwill.
I found some that were already painted gold. I picked those up. I don't have to spray paint them gold. They're already done for me, which is funny. I found these. All right, these, all right, this to me was just unbelievable. Wait till you see these. These are like, I think it's like a pineapple, I think, but I'm going to, hey, if any of you guys give me some of your comments on what you would paint these, because I'm going to paint these because you can tell they're sort of like a gilded gold, and they have some texture to it, but if any of you have some ideas on these, please let me know. But look, these were $3. They're heavy. Look, they are heavy. I mean, seriously heavy. I mean, show them the detail, like the pineapple at the top. Look at the legs on the bottom. I mean, there's a lot of detail in this. So I'm not yet sure. I mean, at one point I want to spray paint it, but I don't know if that would be a good idea. And another time, you know, I was thinking all black because you can use them year round and maybe even for Halloween. And I thought maybe gold, maybe white. I don't know yet. So please comment below if you have some suggestions for, like, you know, what colors. I'm trying to drowned out my son upstairs who was playing a video game. And we told him to be quiet, but evidently he didn't understand English, so we'll see. Anyway, all right, my daughter got some Star Wars videos. Look at all of these. She was like, I want all of these, Mom. So all of these are Star Wars. She started watching them last night. She's very excited to know all about Star Wars.
Then again, I just love Star Wars in
Yeah.
general.
She likes The Mandalorian. Yeah. And then we've got the Chicago one, which we're gonna watch with Richard Gere. Yeah. Oh, I know what we got. Y'all are gonna. This freaked me out a little bit. We were out the outlet one, and we're getting books. Okay, we're getting books to read and stuff like that. And we had probably 10 or 15 books because they're 50 cents there.
Mm-hmm.
And then I see the sign, and it says, "Fill up a shopping cart, and you get all of these for $15." We must have had. How many do you think we got?
I'm gonna guess 300.
300 books we got, really, for $15. So I throw that one in there too.
And since I love to read.
Yeah, she does love to read. All right, so I got this for 99 cents. It's the Christmas tree one, but it was 99 cents. And I told my daughter if it was more than 99 cents, I wasn't going to get it. And sure enough, it was 99 cents. So then I had to get it after I'd already said that to her.
Because she couldn't, neither one of us saw the tag.
We were like, it better not be more than $1.
Then again, I didn't have my glasses on, and did you? Because I don't remember.
No, I can never see. I have my contacts, and I can never see out of my contacts. Just,
Yeah.
yeah. All right, this was a little set, and it had like 3, 6, 9 little tea candles.
I
It's a
love
little
that color.
tea light, which we're not really sure what we're going to do with it yet, are we?
No.
But let me see. So we will put little tea light candles in there. And it came, look how cute that is. That is so,
It's like a little lamp. It's so cute.
it is. And that doesn't fall off, but is that cute? That's really cute. I've never had one before. And it came with like, you know, somebody must not have liked that. That's all I gotta say. That
How do you
was,
not like this? Because even if you don't like the color, you could paint it.
yeah, I like the color though.
I do
I'm not gonna
too.
paint it. Be cute in a little room.
Mm-hmm.
Like in a bathroom.
That would be cute.
Okay, that was $3. Okay, I did get some of these candles. These, I'm gonna have to look these up. These are Avon candles, guys. They were 99 cents. I didn't know they were Avon candles till I took them out of the box. And, you know, they're Avon candles, which is so weird, but yeah, and they smell. I'm a fragrance-free girl, so I'm probably gonna pull that out of there and use it for something different. Yeah, I can't stand fragrances.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's Avon Star Bright. I have to tell you, this is my theory on fragrance. Fragrance have a lot of toxins in them, and I just believe it's not a good idea to breathe those toxins in them if they're fragrance. I know everybody likes fragrances, but we have some, she's got allergies, my son's got allergies, I've got allergies, so we try to do fragrance-free cleaners, fragrance-free everything, shampoo, soap.
Oh, I got some of the candle on my fingers. Now
I
my
know, I
fingers
told you.
smell like it. Ugh.
Okay, there was a lady that had to have gotten rid of her whole craft room because there was so many crafts. There was a case of crafts like Creative Memories or something like that. It was $30 and it had all this stuff in it, but as much as I wanted to get it, I didn't because I do have a lot of crafts. But these, like this CRICUT one, all of these were $2. Oh, this one was 99 cents, sorry. 99 cents. They were either 99 cents or $2. So I picked these up because I figured my girls could, you know, help me with crafts once I get a craft room one day. But this does the little squiggly for your pages. Look at that one.
I love squiggles.
Oh, these were all 99 cents. These were 99 cents, guys. Look.
I feel like a 2-year-old again. You remember those things that you had to put on?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm 2
Look,
years old.
these were 99 cents. I actually bought all of these. All that they had, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have 6 kids and maybe they want to help in the craft room one day when I get one. Maybe you guys can, like, pray that I get a craft room one day. All right, so now this is my favorite thing. The first thing I do when I get to this Goodwill is I go over to the purses because I always find purses that are almost brand new, never used. Okay, all right. Rossetti, see this one? Rossetti, which usually comes from Kohl's. All right, all their purses are $3. They're $2.99. But this one, I mean, seriously, look at this. $3, never used, brand new. All of these that I got are brand new, by the way. These are all brand new, except for one, actually. Isn't that cool? I mean, you could look inside of them and nobody's ever used them. You know, I put some bags in there, but this one, and see, they're all, yeah. Okay. But look at this, brand new. How cute is this? Like maybe in the summertime or around the holidays. Brand new. I'm telling you, I go in there, first thing I do is look for purses. I have probably 10 or 15 now, really. All right, this one is, look, it even still had the little tag with the price thing on it. This is such a nice bag. I forget who this one's by. I've gotten a Betsy Johnson. All right, this is Loft, which is a really expensive place. Okay, brand new. Look at that. It's got pockets. That's really nice, guys. $3. You cannot beat that at all. Because the Loft, we have a Loft in town, and they're expensive. At least for me. I'm cheap. Sorry. I'm frugal. I'm frugal. I'm frugal. Okay, my next thing is I found this cute little Bible purse, which I love. It's a turquoise one. And this one also, never used. Brand new. And it says, "He fills my life with good things." Some, I can't read it because of my context, but anyway.
103.5.
I should have thrown this one in there. This is just a throwback, but I had gotten this one. Look how cute this one is. I can't remember where I got it. Do you remember?
Was that Ross?
I think it was. And it was on clearance too, but I use these in my decor. Like I will just set them, you know, I put all the, what I do is I put all the little stuff inside. And then, or you can even take them off because you got the little hooks. And I will just add them to my decor. Hey, run around and show them that Valentine one. Go bring me that Valentine's one. It's over there, but see how cute that is? I mean, I'll use it too, but sometimes I will just like set it in my decor, just sitting there, because it just adds some color or some shine. But last year I got this one that is in the shape of a heart, and I have it in my little Valentine's little setup decor. Look how cute that one is. I mean, that's got, I mean, I don't even think I could fit anything in this one, but that's
Not
okay.
patience.
Yeah. But, I mean, you could fit money. But isn't that cute? That is so cute. All right, I think that's it for my, yeah, I think that's it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. And have a great day. Be kind to yourself and to each other. And just have a great day. Bye.